vehicles. First, car. This is car means car. Next, bus. This is bus. Bus means bus. This is truck. Truck means truck. This is bike. Bike means motorcycle. This is bicycle means cycle. This is scooter. Scooter. This is auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw means auto rickshaw. Next, this is train. Train means railgadi. This is aeroplane. Aeroplane means हवाई जहाज. This is helicopter. Helicopter means helicopter. This is ship. Ship means जहाज. Next is boat. This is boat. Boat means नाव. Tractor. This is tractor. Tractor means tractor. Ambulance. This is ambulance. Ambulance means ambulance. This is fire engine. Fire engine means अग्निशामक या फिर दमकल. This is van. Van means van. Jeep. This is jeep. Jeep means jeep. This is bulldozer. Bulldozer means bulldozer. This is crane. Crane means crane. Submarine. This is submarine. Submarine means पानडुबी. Cycle rickshaw. This is cycle rickshaw means cycle rickshaw. Horse cart. This is horse cart means तांगा या घोड़ागाड़ी. Bullock cart means बैलगाड़ी. This is spaceship. Spaceship means अंतरिक्ष जहाज. Rocket. This is rocket. Rocket means rocket. This is police car. Police car means police वाहन. Road roller. This is road roller means सड़क समतल करने वाला वाहन. Steam train means भाप से चलने वाली रेलगाड़ी. Pickup truck. This is pickup truck means छोटा ट्रक. तो बच्चों, आज हमने इस वीडियो में देखा है नेम ऑफ व्हीकल्स, जो वाहन होते हैं उनके. उम्मीद करती हूँ समझ आ गए होंगे. समझ आ गया होंगे तो वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा और प्यारा सा लाइक करना ना भूलेगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.